Brad, gusto kita kaya sa ara? Kini kita nebo food review. Yan, sponsor ka nato ni Lanz Pizza. Located ganito na sa Purisima Street beside Ateneo University sa Zamboanga. Okay. Excited ka na, no?
Oo. Tapos ko.
What's up mga ka-comic? Takikitara na Lanz Pizza. One of the naka-sponsor ka natin for food review. I'd like you to meet Mr. Jun Lanusa, and owner the Lanz Pizza. And as well, his daughter, friend Yamon. Shoutout po Megan Lanusa.
Hi. Thank you and welcome to Lanz Pizza and Cafe. No? Lanz Pizza yan starts because more than 2 years ago. No? We had our first, the original Lanz Pizza na sa Catalina Prompting General Hospital. We thought pala kay may man pwede lugar pwede nila ng tempo, but our main target customers are employees of General Hospital, mga estudyante, and other government offices cerca dito sa lugar. But luckily, a year after, kaya pwede kami mira lugar akin na Purisima, is an Ateneo property building, senior high school building, and we're lucky enough, thanks God, kaya pwede kami sa kawang lugar about. Now, we cater several flavors with our Lanz Pizza, all bestsellers.
Yes.
But the best seller, among the best, is Lanz Pizza Signature.
So this is, asan ang mobile camera, sir?
Best seller.
That's our best seller, which comes in 2 sizes, the large size and medium size,
Alright.
14 inches and 11 inches. That's our version of overload version. The price is very affordable, no?
Prices
If you can
starts
see around pizza parlors, our price is competitive, but a little bit lower than other leading pizza parlors.
So, pangmasa, sir.
Pangmasa, but classy also. We
Yeah.
have prepared 3 orders for your taste, no?
Oh, okay.
And maybe to save more, our pizza really, where does our pizza go far, no? Presenting to you our Lanz signature pizza.
Yes.
Hello. Ito na yung Lanz Signature, Brad. Brad, ang Lanz Signature.
Ito yung Lanz
Ang amoy
signature
pa lang.
pizza. Loaded siya, Brad.
Ang amoy pa lang. Wala ka nang masabi.
So this is how many slices, sir?
It's 12 slices.
Wow.
We have chicken ham. We have also beef, include beef. We have black olives, vegetables like mushroom. We have also these onions and bell peppers with pineapple,
Sweet pineapple. So loaded.
tomato,
Fresh tomatoes.
fresh tomato, no?
So yun. Alright, excited na kayo mag-explode yung flavor sa mga bunganga namin.
You try this mouth-watering Lanz signature pizza.
Taste it, taste it.
Take it this way. Yeah, tapos, do it this way.
Wow, wow,
Wala mong, hindi nakikita mo sauce, no? Puro kayo ng sauce.
So, we would like to thank you for allowing us to do this vlog and siyempre for the free taste of your best seller pizza na kina Lanz. Kasi actually last week pa yaras na sir. Ay mga nauna lang na
Yeah,
project.
probably maybe Saturday last week.
Yes,
But,
yes.
Sabi nga, it's good. This week. Okay.
So thank you so much sir. First bite of
Thank
this.
you na Lanz, Kunsem, Sir Jun Lanusa, pati po Meg, thank you Meg.
Alright.
At siya nagkali,
Maxim.
Lanz na food panda.
Yes.
Panda kami.
Yes sir, ano na yung mga kusakos and mga ano sir, akan mga pag-deliver. We have food panda, Food Panda,
Maxim.
Maxim. So you can
And
catch
we have
this
individual delivery boys also.
Yun.
We also deliver.
Yun. So marami palang mode of ano eh.
I deliver, Hans deliver.
So pwede pala kayo order ng Lanz Pizza eh.
Yeah, you can call us up direct sa Lanz Pizza sa Facebook, no? Lanz
Yes.
Pizza sa Zamboanga.
Ilalagay namin yung contact details nila Sir Lanz sa description box. No? So check it out.
You can call us up direct and we'll deliver it for you. Either we'll find somebody who will deliver for us, or if we cannot find, we will deliver it for you.
Yun. So delivery from Lanz Pizza sir will be free delivery.
From Lanz,
Order.
a little add-on on the
Pero
a little add-on.
compared kung magkukumpin pa kayo, di ba?
Ah yes, if you
Gusto nyo ng hassle-free, yung mo lang kayo, just wait it right after your doorsteps. They can deliver.
yes, so
Puro bayaw sales kasi naka-slice na ako.
Yun. So here comes the other.
this is the spicy throat.
Spicy throat.
no?
So from the name itself, spicy throat, this will burn our throats. Right? Ito ngayon. So this is just the spicy
We use the-
variant of the. They have the same toppings pero maanghang sa sarili.
Yes,
Right?
no.
Good.
We are the special
Nakomik.
sriracha sauce.
Sauce.
Kakantot mo.
So, hindi natin naubos yung isa pa natin kung hindi makampusok masyado.
Taste test.
Makita natin lahat ng
Okay, so,
mga
hindi natin yung mga Muslim.
mga kapatid natin mga
Don't worry about the fibers that you can see here. All no pork and halal food to.
yun, sarap. Sarap. So, ito naman tayo.
So try the spicy throat.
Nice
Bangkit niya.
Let's try this.
May sipa talaga.
I noticed also sir, no? May iba-ibang style yung pag-slice nila sa pizza. So, the one sir, yung unang sinema sa ano sir,
Diamond
they were
slice.
cut diamond slice na naman.
Square
Square.
cut.
And square.
Square cut.
Sarap.
Kahit ito, you can do it diamond, but dahil sa dami ng toppings, magkalawisik sa Bisaya.
Presenting to you Super Hawaiian, one of our best sellers also. Come and taste it. Woo! Sarap.
Yun, Tony. Ang pangatlong super.
People of Zamboanga, if you bring for delicious pizza, try and visit our place at the Zamboanga, Purisima St, and look for Lanz Pizza and you'll find the best pizza in the city. I assure you, you will never regret eating Lanz Pizza. So delicious, freshly cooked, and right from the oven, you have it. So once again, I invite you to come and visit us and try our delicious pizzas.
Yes.
It's more, very delicious compared to other.
So yung mga pwede mag-deliver sa sir, huwag natin ba?
You can have our pizza through delivery. You can call up Good Pata, also Maxim, and we will deliver it for you. You don't have to go through the city, just call and right there deliver the new door. So that's it. Lanz Pizza and Effect.
Yun. So, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you.
So mga comic, people of Zamboanga, so don't forget, dito lang may tumatagpuan sa pinakasarap na pizza, Lanz Pizza, right? Nakikita ninyo. So people of Zamboanga, Conqueros, so Comic salamat po, salamat sa pananood ng vlog na to. So stay safe, ingat po kayo lahat, panalangin namin ng bawat kaligtasan ng bawat isa. And advance Merry Christmas to all from Lanz Pizza and Comic.
And Happy New Year.
Ingat po kayo lahat. Bye-bye!